To troubleshoot Google Analytics Universal Analytics Setup, start by verifying that your tracking code is correctly installed on your website. Check that the code is present in the head section of every page you want to track, and that it matches the code provided in your Google Analytics account. Next, check your account settings to ensure that you have set up the correct property and view. Make sure that your website's domain and protocol are correctly specified, and that you have set up the correct time zone and currency. Then, check for any data discrepancies by comparing your Google Analytics data with your internal data. If you notice any discrepancies, check your tracking code and account settings for any errors. Another common issue is missing or duplicate tracking codes. Check that you only have one tracking code installed on each page, and that it is correctly configured. You can use the Google Tag Assistant browser extension to help you identify any issues with your tracking code. It is also important to check for any filters that may be blocking or altering your data. Make sure that you have set up the correct filters to exclude internal traffic and include only the data you want to track. In addition, check your event tracking and goal setup to ensure that they are correctly configured. Make sure that your events and goals are set up to track the correct actions and conversions on your website. By following these steps, you can identify and fix any issues with your Google Analytics Universal Analytics setup, and ensure that you are getting accurate and reliable data. Regularly reviewing and troubleshooting your setup is essential to getting the most out of Google Analytics and making informed decisions about your website and marketing strategy.